Yes, no, this is a 262. I try to show today also to one party. This is a refrigerator lying outside. This is the position of kitchen. भाई अच्छा आप तो बाहर ठीक है. This is the position of this room. Bathroom are yet to ready. Washing machine, fridge, they both are outside. Bedroom, third, is quiet, pending work. Light is not fit. The toilet seat is yet to fit here. This I don't think they will complete less 10 days. I keep on asking them on telephone. सर कर देते हैं within 1 week दे देंगे, लेकिन always say the same thing. Fourth bedroom, glass broken. Glass broken. हेलो, हाँ मैं फ्लैट में हूँ A262 के अंदर. आ जाइए. ये 261 है ना, 261, 26 का एक है ना.
हाँ 26 का 2.
26 का 2 है,
26 का 3 है, 2 आपको है।
2 है या 2 तो मेरा है।
दो है।
अच्छा ये 2 तो नहीं है ना?
हाँ, गेट पर ऐसे लिखे होंगे।
कहाँ लिखा हुआ है?
अभी नंबर नहीं।
कहाँ लिखा है? लिखना चाहिए कहीं। 26 का 2 ये है ना? आप यहाँ काम कर रहे हो?
तो यही है।
आप कहाँ काम कर रहे हो?
हमारा काम नीचे सर चल रहा है,
हैं?
नीचे काम चल रहा है।
आपका क्या नाम है?
राजकुमार।
राजकुमार। क्या काम कर रहे हो?
सावन काम करते
हैं?
सावन में जो शीशा लगता है,
अच्छा इसका काम हो गया? कहाँ शीशे तो अभी अनफिट है, अब 1-2 लगने हैं।
वही तो बंदे को देख रहे हैं कहाँ गए।
लगाओ, ख़त्म करो यार, बहुत देर हो गया। One Mr. Gautam broker is coming. He is down. I will show him both flats. That Korean party that again came today with another broker. Once they saw me, they went back. I said that they have seen. If they want to see, I can show them again. But it is up to them now to decide. So I think broker will decide with him. Either they should go with Jadi or with this Mr. Ajit, today's broker. He came with Ajit. Now another broker is coming. In fact, Sanant, these brokers are giving sweet rice to everyone. Whosoever want to take or rent, or whosoever they take as a right, कोई भी मिल जाए। फ्लैट इनफैक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा हैं रहने वाले किराए पर, और सभी सोचे होंगे किराया दे दें, फटाफट दे दें। This is the position of 462. You can see patch work is there, and that will last paint they have to do it. Last paint coat they have to do. Not much work is there, but they are running as per their own. Gautam, please come.
Chandan Brunal.
Mr. Chima. Hi. This is 262. Yeah.
The work is going on, huh?
Yeah, work is going on. Not much work is left. This is a living room. This is a living room plus dining room. This is a kitchen. Last touch is just 1 week job is there. Cleanliness. This is one room. Bathroom is yet to be done. There 4 bedroom.
3 bedroom, 4 bedroom?
4.
4 bedroom, sir.
The area is likely about 3,000. One, 2, 3, and that's 4. You can see our outside scenery, how you like viewpoint from outside. This is gallery from outside. This is what's called servant room. This one. We have a bigger flat also here, D tower. That's a 4,300. It's a 3,000. So
ही चलता है।
yeah. So we can show both. We can show both of them. Okay. Nice. वो देखने के नहीं बड़े वाला?
नहीं, बड़े वाला नहीं देखना।
ठीक है।
क्योंकि उनको यही चलता है।
They want small one only. Okay. It's at, I think 2,900 something, less than 3,000. So if
That
they,
is what, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom.
no, that's also 4 bedroom. This is also 4 bedroom. That area is bigger.
4,200.
Yeah, area same thing is 4.
3500 में, 4000 में, 4200 में, 3000
Yeah. You can have a look. It is here. Nine. It is on 20. No, it's not on this. It's a side by building. Gate. You are seeing? So with the gate right side. That is the 3,000. इनका कोई कम्युनिकेशन है इनको मुझे कम्युनिकेट कर देना इफ दे लाइक या तो आपका टेलीफोन नया वही है ना आपका?
हाँ, हमारा टेलीफोन वही है।
ओके
आपका नंबर है ही सेव में।
हाँ ओके टीम इन्फॉर्म कभी आप क्लाइंट मिलता है टेलीफोन करो मैं आ जाऊँगा। ओके